Morning, everyone. It's a Saturday, and today we're looking at some markups for silver and gold you know, going into next week's trading week. This week we made a profit of about, I think it was about $700 last week. Not very much, not a very big amount, but due to the small trading account that we have, it's relatively good. We're trying to keep it positive, and as you know, each week what I do is I do my markups, and then the day after I show you the results of the markup, then I continue each day, so there is evidence of what I'm doing. Now, I normally go on my charts on Saturday and just basically mark up so what I think is gonna happen next week, or the week after that. I'm not currently in silver, but I'm looking into scaling down and safe. As you know, gold is in a downtrend. I'm still in gold currently. Let me see if I can just pull up that right now. Yeah, I'm still in gold USD chef. I'm holding these trades for the weekend. So right now I'm predicting, as you can see, gold is in a downtrend. Still in the channel. It came here, rejected, and I think it's gonna come all the way down, especially with the US dollar gaining some strength in the last news that we had. So I'm looking for the gold to come down to here of my TP1, and if possible make its way down here for TP2 and then TP3. I'm gonna hold gold, I think, probably for the next week. Now moving down to the 4-hour chart, as you can see, I have my zones. This is where gold was rejecting at first, took this drop, caught it right here. I didn't come that far. I think I came out like right here. Came back up past this zone. So I'm looking for gold to either come down to this zone and make its way back up. But of course it's in a downtrend. So as you can see, my trend line is still right here. And of course you can see, sorry, this line is wrong. This line should be right here. It came up back to the same very area, didn't pass it, retested the area, and now it's making its way back down. So I'm looking for a rejection right here. If not, came back all the way down here. And that is just my markup for gold. Silver, I'm noticing a similar trend. The USD has gained some strength, and if you zoom out and look at it, it looks like a pattern, downtrend. It's under 200 EMA along with a flag pattern, and if we should fib this out, say we fib from the highest part, which is here, come down to the lowest part, it's not perfect, but you can see it came to that 618 level, which is right here, took a turn back, and it's heading down now. I'm looking for it to come all the way back down here. I must cancel this fib. This is on the daily. I'm looking for it to just come all the way down here. It's already coming. Now let's move to the 4-hour. However, what I realized from the last time, if we're looking correctly, is that it came down here and rejected. So push back up, rejected again, coming down here. So I'm looking for some rejection right here. If it doesn't reject, if the candle closes below this line, I'm looking to continue to sell to the downside. However, if it closes above this line, I'm looking for it to come back up, probably retest again, and head to the north side. And that's the look for silver. Now similarly, the DXY, I'm looking for the DXY to it's in a strong bullish momentum right now. I'm not looking to take this trade in the middle of the channel. I'm looking for it to come up here and probably take a sell right here, or I'm looking for it to reject right under this daily candle and come down to this downside, and I'll probably take a buy. I'll take a buy right here, but I'm looking for more buys than sells because, as you can see, it's been following structure. If I should mark this out, show you that we're in a strong uptrend. If you look here, retested. So the next zone I'm looking for it to retest is this one right here. So I'm looking for it to come back down somewhere here and then take it all the way back up here in the daily. If we should skip to the 4 hour, we can see that the channel is still very big. Still ways to go, but I wouldn't take this right now just due to because it's in the middle of the channel and we're unsure which way, if it's gonna go all the way up here. But I'll be looking to enter in key areas such as right here or right here, you know, just looking at the amount of pips. But that's what I'll be looking at dXY. Another trade that I'll be looking at is USD JPY. And let's go to the daily first. Let me cancel this fib out. Looking at the daily right here, we had USD is on a strong bullish run. If you should look, it's on a strong bullish run. I didn't chart this for obvious reasons, because you could see that it's actually in a bullish, hitting that bullish momentum. See, it's obviously in a bullish channel. Now, I didn't chart this for obvious reasons, but I'm predicting USD to come all the way up here, because we've been in this level for days now, days upon days. You know, being that this is the highest point USD has reached in over 63 years. If you're watching the news, now we're moved down to the 4 hour. We see that we've finally broken this top. The last time we hit here, we had a massive rejection. The banks came in, boom. So I'm gonna be very cautious with my positions right here. I'm looking to hopefully see a break and a retest right here before I enter this market, because the last time what the big banks did is the candle broke all the way up here and then they just entered and it took a big sell-off, big payday for them, came back to this previous level of support right here, and then they slowly made the buyers drive it back up right up here. So these are what I'm looking at right now. USD is getting stronger from the last news outbreak. The Japanese yen has been left for dead by the Japanese banks, so I'm not looking to take any sells in the USD JPY market. So anything with USD right now is going bear bullish. Now for the CAD now, let's go to the daily. I believe this is the one I'm currently in. Now, I entered this market prematurely. Let me see. Is this USD shit? No, this is not it. I entered this market prematurely because I was going off a structure, and if you can see on the daily, we have strong. Let me remove all these lines. If we should look at the market structure right here, we're looking at this looks like a mini flag. Let me see if I can fib it out. If I fib from here, no, sorry, this is a gigantic flag, of course. If we should fib it out from here, we can see that it's respecting that 618 level. Took turns at that 618 level, as you can see on the daily. However, if we should scale down to the 4 hour, looking for market, this has been an area of strong resistance. So that's the reason why I hopped in the trade. However, I hopped in it a bit prematurely because I think I caught it down here, and I had like 0.45 lot size. I have my stop loss all the way up here, even though I know that potentially the market can come all the way up here, but I'm not willing to risk that much. So what I would do, if I get stopped out above here, I would wait for it to come all the way up here, if it does, and then take that sell coming back down, just to manage my risk to reward. but I know based on what the resistance level is currently right now, I know it's somewhere right here. And as you can see, there's a lot of evidence to back it up in the past. Now hopefully I get a strong rejection. That's what I'm hoping for. Scroll down to the 4 hour, a strong rejection up here. As I said, my stop loss is somewhere above this line. Hopefully I get a strong rejection, move back to the downside, hit my TP, which is right here. So my TP will be right at this line right here. And I'm going to put my TP a little before, so I put it here, just because sometimes the market will come close to it and then turn back. Because remember, supports are and resistance is not one specific line, it's an area. So that's what I'm really looking at for this week. I haven't touched the US 30, even though I did a very good markup, and I'm so mad about it because I believed in my ambition, like I believed in my trade. I said that if it came in this area that I would take a massive sell-off, and I just canceled this trade for some reason. To be honest, I'm really scared of US 30. Like, it could be going one way now and just whoops, and yeah, it's just a mental thing when it comes down to US 30, and so I stay away from it until I know that my mind is strong enough to handle it. Because US 30 ain't no joke. If you realize the amount of pips that are in, a little small move, it's crazy. But let's not go there. Anyways, guys, that's my markups for this week. Yeah. Remember to subscribe, guys. Please like this video, share the video. If you guys want me to do more analysis, I got you.